Welcome to my channel. I will explain in this video how to dismantling vertical pump. I will explain in this video step by step dismantling procedure, coupling and bearing housing dismantling, head shaft dismantling, column pipe dismantling, all 1 to 3 stages dismantling, impeller shaft dismantling process. In the vertical pump, first dismantling processor, coupling and bearing housing dismantling. First, unscrew and remove the coupling locking grub screw. Now insert the coupling puller and carefully pull the coupling out from the head shaft. Remove the pin bush coupling. Remove the pin bush coupling key. Next, we will start the bearing housing dismantling. Unscrew and remove the check nut locking bolt. Then rotate the check nut in a clockwise direction and remove it from the head shaft. Check nut removed. After that, remove the flange coupling from inside the head shaft. Now unscrew the cooling coil bearing housing bolts and remove the cooling coil assembly from the head shaft. Remove the flange coupling connecting key. Next, after removing the flange connecting key, remove the thrust block. After removing the thrust block, remove the thrust block connecting key. Unscrew and remove the bearing housing base bolts. Then remove the bottom casing of the bearing housing from the head shaft. Remove the bearing housing outside the head shaft. With this, the bearing housing dismantling is completed. Now we will start the rotating assembly dismantling. Unscrew the casing bolt and remove the rotating assembly from the casing. Next, unscrew the muff coupling locking grub screw on the head shaft and remove the muff coupling from the impeller shaft. Muff coupling is a connecting the head shaft and impeller shaft. After that, remove the impeller bush housing from the inside the impeller shaft. Unscrew and remove the column pipe bolts. Then remove the column pipe from the impeller shaft. Column pipe remove the outside the impeller shaft. Now begins the dismantling process from bottom to top. First unscrew and remove the strainer nut, then remove the strainer casing. Unscrew and remove the end nut locking grub screw. Remove the locking grub screw. After removing the locking grub screw, remove the end locking nut by rotating it clockwise. To rotating the clockwise direction, open the end nut. Next, unscrew the bottom bowl flange nuts. Using a jack, push the shaft inside the bowl comes out from the impeller shaft. Remove the bowl from the impeller shaft. After removing the bowl, inside the impeller is removed. Remove the impeller key. Remove the impeller key from the shaft. Then remove the metal bush from the impeller shaft. Now unscrew the middle ball flange nuts. Jack the ball to push the shaft inside, allowing the ball to come out. Before removing the ball, remove the distance piece. To remove the distance piece, then remove the ball completely. Remove the ball outside the impeller shaft. To remove the ball inside the impeller, remove the impeller key from the shaft. Next, jack the impeller ball again so the metal bush and distance piece come out from the impeller shaft. After jacking, remove the metal bush from the outside the impeller shaft. After remove the distance piece outside the impeller shaft. Remove the outside distance piece. Rotate the impeller shaft to a vertical position and lift it upward to remove it from the impeller ball. After removing the ball from the impeller, Remove the impeller key from the inside the impeller shaft. Finally, remove the metal bush from the impeller shaft. This completes the full vertical pump dismantling process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to channel.